Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Etsy payments and payout methods, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify your Etsy payments and payout methods, begin by logging into your Etsy account. Once logged in, navigate to the Shop Manager located in the upper right corner. In the Shop Manager, select the Finances option from the menu on the left. Click on Payment Settings to access your payment information. Here, you will see your current payout method listed. To verify your payout method, click on the Edit button next to the payout information. Review the information displayed to ensure it is accurate and up to date. If changes are necessary, enter your new payment details carefully. Etsy accepts various methods like bank transfers and PayPal. After updating your payout method, confirm by clicking Save. Next, check your email for a confirmation message from Etsy regarding the changes made. It may take a few days for your updated payout method to be fully verified. During this time, you can view your payment history by returning to the Finances section. This will provide insight into past transactions and pending payouts. If you encounter issues during this process, consult the Etsy Help Center for additional support. Ensure that your account is in good standing to avoid delays in payouts. Once everything is verified, you're ready to receive payments for your sales. Regularly check your payout settings to keep your information current. By following these steps, you can ensure a smooth payment experience on Etsy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.